there's quite a lot of pressure that builds up. I have to stay quite level-headed. There's an expectation for me to continuously deliver. I'm flying close to people and through gaps, and I have to make sure that everything is done safely. And if I mess up, we have to do the whole thing again. It requires 100% brain power.
Recce's are an incredibly important part of the process. It's often the first time we've seen a space, so we get eyes on what we're going to be flying around.
And then we do a massive yaw.
Whatever gaps there are, how the rooms are spaced, corridors, doors, thinking through where the drone's going to be going. So once we've got that all nailed down, we'll sit down with the client and a floor plan. That's essentially where the solid plan for the filming day comes together. We love it when a client can organise people to be there. We'd love them to be involved for as long as we can, and that's when we get the best results. So the filming day starts, we arrive, we unpack all of our gear, we get ready.
This is an FPV drone, and FPV stands for first person view. So there's two cameras on here. This transmits live video from the drone to these goggles, and then this secondary camera up top is what records the high resolution footage, and the two of them are lined up so I know what I'm filming as I'm flying.
We do some test flights before people turn up. This is where we practice, we're happy with how the drone flies and how it looks.
I need to have the best video signal from the drone to my goggles. So this is the most central point within our flight route, which is why I'm stood in this tiny little cupboard.
People turn up, we put them where we want them to be. We cue certain people to be our touching points of doing certain things when the drone comes near them.
And what we want you guys to do is be dotted around the space, showing off how it's used. And we'll go around and give you each individually like cues and things to do as the drone flies past. The first couple of takes on a shoot like this are always a bit more difficult because people aren't fully aware of where the drone is going to be coming from and going to. But that's fine, that's part of the process, and we've got to get them out of the way.
We run that as many times as we can, 8, 9, 10 times, we don't know, until the shots get good.
3, 2, 1, slide, nice.
It can be fairly stressful, there's a lot of things going on at the same time. We need coordination with a lot of people, so communication is really important. It gets really good towards the end of it, and then that's when the magic happens and everything comes together really perfectly.
Just give him some space to go. Oh wow, look at that dual-handed, Christ. Okay, shuffleboard, 3, 2, 1, shuffle. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, table tennis, we're coming to you. Okay, coming past the beer bar. Alright, get ready with your beer. 3, 2, 1, pull the beer away. Nice. Okay, pool table, 3, 2, 1, break. Nice. Okay, foosball. Nice, looks good. Okay, axe throwing. I think that's the one. That's really good, guys.
Yeah, I think we got it. I think we'll get it on the laptop now and watch it back properly and see how it's looking. At Bad Wolf Horizon, we're always trying to push the boundaries of what we can achieve with our drone tours. We do this by combining great planning, skilled flying and solid teamwork to make each project better than the last.